Hey, 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 if we haven't met before, my name is Misty and I am a manifesting coach. And I sure hope that we've met before, because I wouldn't want the first time for us to be together that I would be sitting here with zero makeup on and doing an unedited video for the very first time. For all of my friends that have been here before, this is an incredibly trying time for everybody. I know that we are all going through an unusual set of circumstances. My current circumstances are that both of the girls that edit all my videos and help me with everything are having trouble receiving the videos through email, or I take the hard drive to them and wipe it off and put it in their mailbox, and then they get it out and they wipe it off. And so whatever we're doing right now is not working the way that we want it to, and it can be very frustrating and challenging. I know that everybody has had to sacrifice things in the last few weeks, such as being able to cut out the sound in the background of the videos. For me, I had a couple of things in the last week that were incredibly challenging. One, my older son, Austin, came by to visit, and he had been exposed to the coronavirus, and so he had to stand 15 to 20 feet away, and we basically were yelling from across the yard, telling each other that we loved each other and to stay safe. And he came to pick up some things that he couldn't find at the grocery store, like wipes and sponge for the kitchen area, and so he wanted to use a new one, and I had extras and I put it out for him. And not being able to hug your child, that even though he's a grown man, that was one of the most difficult things I think that in my entire life I've ever had to do. And so what I want to say today is, normally we would do an Ask Misty Monday and you would send me your questions, and we would have a positive, uplifting answer for you in some way. I just want to know how you're doing today. That's my Ask Misty Monday. It's actually for you. And what do you have going on? What can we help you with? What are some areas that you would like to talk about in the next few weeks during this series of our Corona quarantine? On a positive note, I did see a lot of wonderful things happen this week. Our neighborhood is doing a bear hunt. That is so fun to watch the kids from the window walk around and look at the bears outside. If you can look that up, there's a book about taking your children on a bear hunt if you haven't heard from that. My yard looks beautiful. That's a positive thing, that we haven't had the time to do that up until now. We have been traveling almost every week. Matter of fact, on the week of Friday the 13th, when we were quarantined in the first place, we were on our way to Tampa to go to the Indy races and visit some friends, and obviously we had to cancel that and stay home for everyone's safety. And from what I understand, we thought that we would be coming to the end of this soon, and we're not going to be. It's actually going to be a little bit longer. And so we're going to extend our series for as long as we're all quarantined, and try to come up with the best way to get you our videos every day, Monday through Friday. They're going out at 10 o'clock right now. I'm actually making this video, and I'm gonna have to upload it myself because it didn't work out, and it is 8:43, so let's see how long it takes me. Hopefully it gets up at 10 o'clock, because this will be my first time doing this all by myself. So I just want to know what you're doing to keep positive and what we can do to help you in this journey. So you can leave us a comment down below in the comment box. You can also reach us at our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. Always send me a direct message. I am taking 30-minute complimentary phone calls right now for some people who really need someone to talk to. So if you think that that might be you, you can always send me a message. Facebook direct message is the quickest thing that I always get, so make sure that you send that to me at My Epiphany Coaching. If you're not following us on all those platforms, please take a second to do that. I've been telling you guys lately that the only way that YouTube recognizes us as a channel is by the number of subscribers that we have, and by the amount of view time that we have. And so our view time is right where it should be. We are almost at our 4,000 watch minutes, and my dog Lily is having a fit right now. Sorry. Lily, come see. Good girl, come on. So if you'll take a second and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, that would mean so much to us, especially Lily, who's having a fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short, and until tomorrow, happy manifesting.